Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually getting ready to go out to a new restaurant that I have been anticipating and waiting to go try out, and they've been open for about 3 weeks, but it's kind of been low-key. But I'm just getting ready to go there, and I thought I would bring y'all along. I pretty much got myself together, but I need to put on my gloss. It's a new gloss by Pat McGrath. I love her. But anyways, so the owners of this restaurant also own At the Corner, and it is 3 sisters that are all doing this business together, and they are so amazing. Their parents help them as well. You will always see them in At the Corner. But they were going to open up a restaurant, a vegan restaurant named after their grandmother. And right when they were doing the renovations and getting ready, COVID hit. So they did not complete that project because they were so focused on keeping their first business afloat. And I've been riding with them since the doors opened on the first restaurant about, I guess, 7 years ago now. So I'm so true to them, and they're true to me, and I always try to support them. So I'm gonna go and check them out today at the new vegan restaurant, and it is called Flora Jeans, and I'm excited to try. So I will catch you guys back in a little bit. Hey y'all, I have made it. I am in the vicinity. Parking wasn't too terrible, but you can tell that they're busy, so we're gonna head on in and see what we can see. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so nice in here. Oh my gosh, there's some complimentary chlorophyll in my water. So I'm just gonna pour my water and try it. Chlorophyll water, y'all. It's one of the other sisters, Helen. Hey girl. It's just beautiful. It's really pretty. Sorry about the lighting, y'all, but the light is behind me. I mean, we were talking to so hard to pick from their menu, but I decided to go with a saffron latte, which has a lot of health benefits to include antioxidants. And then I went with, for my appetizer, I got the beignets, the matcha beignets, and then I'm getting the walnut chorizo tacos with rosemary potatoes, and then I'm getting a side of fresh fruit. So I'm hoping it's delicious. The beignets. This is the matcha mix. I wish I had someone to share with because I can't eat all this. Here's the latte. I'm excited about it. Sisters working together. This is cute. Tacos. Side of fruit. Is it a place that you feel like? Hey y'all, so it is a rainy day today, but I am actually out to get my eyebrows done by the amazing Levon Beauty. So hopefully she'll get me soon. But I'm so ready to get them done because it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I haven't seen her in over a month. Yeah, it's been a lot going on. It is 1:03 on the car, but it's actually 1:05 on my Apple products. So anyways, I'm scheduled for a hair appointment at 1:15, so I'm just out here waiting for my stylist. I'm so excited about letting someone else handle my trindles and getting my hair taken care of today. I want color so much, and there is this lady here that does color with no bleach. to take care of naturals and curly girls. So I'm considering that. I just know it's pricey, and then the price point and all of that to try to maintain and keep the hair moisturized is what I'm nervous about. But I just want something different. Like I just want some color. So I will see, but let me get off here so I can get ready to get my hair done. Hi guys, so I decided that I need to hop back on here and kind of give you a little bit of, let me see, what am I trying to say? Give you a little bit of information regarding like the gaps within the vlog. So I went, let's see, so starting out, I had errands to run, and then on, I think that Tuesday, my son and I went to see Creed, but of course that was private, family, personal time, so I did not film that. But let me tell you, Creed 3 was magnificent. It was so good. It was just like, I mean, just like the entire franchise that has been going on since way back in the day. You know, I am a 80s kid, so I definitely grew up watching all of the Rockies. And so just to see this continuation of Creed 3, and then seeing that Michael B. Jordan actually got the opportunity to direct this film, was amazing. It was really, really good. If you have not seen it, make sure that you go and see it. Highly recommend it. And we just had a really, really great time that evening. And then of course you saw where I got the brows done by Lavon Beauty. And then there was a clip in there where I went to get my hair done. You guys, unfortunately, I had scheduled the hair appointment for that day over a month ago, and then about 3 weeks ago, the assistant texted me and asked if I could switch it to the following Monday, and I said sure, because I knew that I really wanted to get my hair done. And so I just said I'll switch it, but when I did that, I added it to the calendar, but I forgot to delete the last appointment from my calendar. So then, like, I got a notification the day before, I got a notification the day of, and I was so excited, like, yes, I'm getting my hair done. And that's why you see in the clip that I was just kind of sitting there excited, waiting to get my hair done, but it never happened that day. So fast forward, then the following Monday, I actually was able to go and get my hair done. And so now I have my fresh press, and so that was exciting. And what else? Let's see, unfortunately I left out some of a clip of where I had went and got this, it's like a soft served cheesecake ice cream, because there was like a little bit of a mishap. And although I support them, I was very frustrated that when I came back up there to get that item replaced, the owner did not even come out to speak to me and see me, even though like we agreed through Messenger that like I could just come and get something in place of that poor experience. I just thought that she would at least come out and, you know, just talk to me and just see me, because I was not trying to be rude. I just wanted to let her know what took place. And I thought it was important, but whatever, you know, I didn't blast them. I didn't like go put it all out on socials. I just like talked to her woman to woman to let her know what had happened. Anyways, I'm not gonna go into a lot of details there. And let's see. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think that's all the details that I have leading up to that. It was a really full week, very busy, very rainy, and it's still quite cold here for the month of March. So I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in and supporting me. You always know that I don't take that for granted. And I just thank you guys for being here with me and continuing to rock with me after all these years. So until next time, peace, abundance, blessings. Bye.